Well, welcome back to Creating with 3D Science. In this video, I'm going to show you again how to make your image stock in Google Gemini. I will create a coloring page right here in ChatGPT. I am using one of my GPT's Afro Women coloring pages, and I'm going to click on one of these prompts and then design a female for you. It says this GPT creates black and white outline images of curvy African American women with diverse hairstyle. Here, women's journaling in bed with breeze and cozy pajamas. Curvy woman walking on the beach with head wrap, I think, relaxing woman pixie sitting and then celebration. Okay, let's click on this one here. It will design a curvy woman walking on the beach with a head wrap and a tote bag. This GPT is amazing. You can type in your own prompt, or you can click on the on this that are given in at the beginning right there. Okay, let's see what we will get. Okay, here she is. Let's check her out. Here she is. I'm going to download it right here into my computer, and I'll go to Gemini. Google Gemini, you can find it under google.com. You go to Gemini AI, and then you scroll down, and here it is. They have the free version and the paid version. Okay, I have the pro version. When you come in here, you need to go to tools and click on create a video. So now I'm going to upload my image. Let's upload it really quick. So here she is. I'm going to click on it. So she should be saying something while she's walking. Let's find her a script really quick. She is walking on the beach and saying, "Oh my goodness, this beach is amazing. I feel so fresh and free. Let me go call Tasha and tell her to come." Okay, I'm going to put the so this we have, and then it will create a video for me with this lady walking on the beach and saying this here. Oh my goodness, this beach is amazing. I feel so fresh and free. Okay, exclamation point. Let me go call Tasha and tell her to come. So I'm going to submit it. And when I scroll down here, I can see here analysis. I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes. So check back to see when your video is ready. When it's ready, it will be right down here for us to see. And this lady will be moving. Hopefully she will open her eyes. But she will be walking down the beach here and talking and saying the exact, sometimes not the exact, but most of this she will be saying that most of. So let's wait on her. Okay, here it is. She didn't open her eyes, but we will get some things out of her. Let's see what she.
Oh my goodness, this beach is amazing. I feel so fresh and free. Let me go call Tasha and tell her to come. Oh my goodness, this beach is amazing. I feel so fresh and free. Let me go call Tasha and tell her to come.
This is
Oh my
amazing.
goodness, this beach is amazing.
This is amazing. You see here, I created only a coloring page on ChatGPT, and then I turn it into a cartoon. Okay. I also could have colored her, like let her come in colors and then she would be walking and talking. That's
I
why
feel so fresh and free. Let me go call Tasha and tell her to come.
I love this. This is cute. So you can do this too. You can do this too. You can create a bunch of images or designs and let them talk, like bring them in here, create a script for them, let them talk, and then post it on social media. This is amazing right here. Let me know if you're going to try it out. And if you're interested in the GPT, also let me know, because in here you can just put in what you want the person to wear, the black woman to wear, and what hairstyle you want her to have, and it will produce you a coloring page. Let's see this one here. Okay, this was a standard one. Let's put one in. A lady with no dressed in leggings. Here, let's see, braids. No, let's see this. Legging. Shaved sides, long braids. She's dressed in leggings. She has shaved sides. She has long braids, sneakers. Let me put the shirt in. Let's say sweater. Okay. My W. Sweater. Let's run it and see her. You see, this GPT is very, very easy to use. Whatever you're thinking about, you can place you can create a prompt of it. So just put it there, ask about anything, and it will give it to you, give it right out to you. Let's listen one more time to this cartoon.
Oh my goodness, this beach is amazing! I feel so fresh and free. Let me go call Tasha and tell her to come. Oh my goodness, this beach is amazing! I feel so fresh and free. Let me go call Tasha and tell her to come.
Okay, let's go back. Okay, you see that? She has shaved sides. She has a sweater on and legging and sneakers. You see that? So if you're interested in this GPT, let me know in the comment section. And if you don't know what I did here, go back and watch the video. You will understand it. This is the most awesome thing.
Oh my goodness, this beach is amazing! I feel so fresh and free. Let me go call Tasha and tell her to come. Oh my goodness, this beach is